This is not a hype session. That's not what it is. The most applause, the most excitement that we're gonna share and spend together today, the way we just did, just happened. And I want you to live in that space for a moment. I want you to understand that this is not a regular event. In fact, I would argue this is not an event at all. This is a workshop. This is where we come together and we learn and we grow and we level up. And you just need to step in here right now in this moment and have some absolute blind faith that I promise you already got here. That's the first step, but it is not enough. I will guide you where you want and need to go. And I literally need that. We have an entire session built called Ask and We'll Build It. It is literally, we're pulling that whiteboard over and we are gonna build exactly what you need as you need it real time. So start thinking about it. Like, what would it be? If I could do this in my business, but I just don't know how, if somebody would teach me, what would it be? And I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna build it right then and there, real time.
Phil's one of a kind. I mean, just the moment we walked in, just talking about, being human, not being a realtor, throw out the idea that you're a realtor. The way that he explained telemarketing, for instance, speak slow, be a human, but he just sort of put it all in focus.
I really enjoy Phil as a speaker. He's genius, and when you actually listen to what he has to say and implement it, it works.
Yes, people should come and support this, and actually, you will take a lot away from it. His systems work, and I'm a true and firm believer of that.
Phil has been a life changer in my life, and every chance that I get to get in front of him and just hear the wisdom that he gives all day, every day.
So all that inspiration, all that hype, all that I'm pumped up, I'm happy and excited, it's gonna go away. And if you leave here inspired without tactical systems, SOPs, KPIs, the whole deal, without the methods and everything you need, the frameworks you need to actually put in the work, then what was the point? You just spent a bunch of money to be in a room with a bunch of people that the truth is you're only gonna call or talk to one or two of them that you didn't already talk to later, and you didn't get anything really from it. So my mission for you today is leave the hype in your backpack, your purse, or your pocket.